For more than 20 years, I've been in the artificial turf industry, and one of the biggest advantages of that experience is knowing not only how to invent the right tools to maintain artificial turf, but how to build it the right way from day one. We recently had the opportunity to partner with the Love Pit and donate a brand new pet turf installation to help the amazing dogs they rescue. This project meant a lot to our team. The existing concrete was in rough shape. It had large cracks, uneven surfaces, and areas that simply weren't safe for dogs. Instead of installing turf directly over it, we used specialized drainage tiles to bridge those gaps, create a level surface, improve drainage, and make the entire area safer and more comfortable for every dog that calls this place home. For the turf, we installed the new Cali Pet from Tailor Made Grass. In my opinion, if you're looking for premium artificial turf for pets, this is it. It drains at over 1,000 inches per hour, it's 100% recyclable, and it's built to handle the demands of pet facilities while staying beautiful. Seeing this project come together was incredible, but the best part? Watching Scoobs roll around on his brand new turf the moment we finished. That's when you know you got it right. This project turned out positively awesome, and we're honored to give back to organizations like the Love Pit that make such a difference every single day.